Alright, we have Nihal with us. Nihal, give us a breakdown of the fights and how it played out for you.
My fights?
Yep.
Okay, so my first fight was with Sadiq Qayyum from CrossTrain. I haven't seen him like compete, or I didn't know much about his game. I tried to study him up on YouTube, but didn't find much resource. But from hearing whatever I could from other people, he's an OG from CrossTrain. He has some solid like fundamentals. Um, I couldn't do much to him. He was shutting my game down really well. I tried to like go for his legs, but it didn't work out. Um, Managed to draw the match out like the whole 10 minutes. Got it to overtime, and I managed to escape faster than him. So I won by fastest escape time, and that was my first match. And it was a pretty good match because he really tested like my patience and my will to like keep working, even though like I was pretty tired. I was gassing out, my breathing was heavy. And so yeah, thank you Sadiq, like it was a really good match. My second match was with my former teammate and good friend Piyush. um, I've always known he's going to be a really good athlete someday because he has the drive and work ethic to do that. And I think I've learned a lot from him just by being around him and seeing how like he doesn't give a fuck about like what anybody says. He's just going to like work really hard and continue on his path. And I've gotten a lot of strength from that, just that ability to like put everything aside and put on like blinders, and just keep treading forward. So he beat me by he did one of my favorite moves on me, which is like a twister roll. And he just rolled under, took my back. I fought the choke off for a bit, but he got under my neck eventually and strangled me. But yeah, thank you Piyush, that was a good experience. And yeah, that's how my matches went. I lost.
So, what would you do differently in terms of your camp or the fights that just went down?
I think my camp was pretty good considering that there were a lot of circumstances that didn't help us have like the perfect camp or whatever. But going forward, I know what I have to do. Like I know that there are some issues with my game right now that need fixing, and all I can do is do my work, study, and like drill my ass off. So that's pretty much what I'm gonna do. There's nothing that needs like drastic changing because I've been doing this for almost 5 years, and I kind of know what formula works for me right now, and I'm just gonna keep on keeping on basically. So,
That's great to hear. So, how has your experience been in terms of Leverage 9?
So Leverage 9 has easily been like the best tournament I've ever been a part of, simply because the whole hashtag athlete first, like that thing is not just for show, like they really like made an effort to take care of us. And usually like I'd have to run out in between my matches in like other tournaments to go and get food for my teammates because like nobody was taking care of us, and let alone like fighting is hard enough, but imagine having to go and like do all those errands and chores, between your fights. Like it's bullshit. So in that sense, like I think the whole Leverage team has taken really good care of us by like giving us our own space to like be in our thoughts and warm up properly. And we have like unlimited refreshment. We can like keep our bodies like charged and ready to go, and they kept on like coming to our rooms and asking us if we needed anything. They provided us with like tape and stuff that I'd normally have to go and like pick up for myself and my team. So it's like I could just come here and I didn't have to do anything. They took care of us from like A to Z. So I think that's been the best experience ever.
So, what's next for you in terms of training and competition?
I don't know about competition, but in terms of training, like I'm just gonna go back to Bangalore with my guys and like continue training. And yeah, whenever the next Leverage or something that is as good as Leverage, I don't think there will be anything else. But yeah, some other tournament comes along, yeah, I'll probably get on that wagon and try to do better.
So my next question was going to be, would you be interested in coming to Leverage 10? But I
Fuck
think
yeah.
I think you answered that for us.
Yeah, for sure.
Thank you so much, Nihal. It's been an absolute
Thank
pleasure.
you, bro.
Best of
Thank
luck
you
in the
so
future.
much.